Hey, bienvenue à tous, bienvenue sur mon channel. Aujourd'hui, on va essayer South Park, l'Anal du Destin, qui est le deuxième de la série. Là, le premier, pour ceux qui l'ont pas joué, c'est le Stick of Truth. Il est vraiment intéressant. Par contre, je suis pas sûr qu'il faut absolument jouer au premier pour apprécier le deuxième. Moi, j'ai jamais essayé le deuxième. Par contre, j'ai fait le premier au complet là, quelques années. Donc aujourd'hui, ça va être un petit épisode pour tester un peu le début de Traction Butthole. Donc si jamais vous aimez ça, n'hésitez pas à subscribe, liker, commenter pour un peu me donner vos feedbacks sur le jeu. C'est parti. Bon, j'ai mis les voix en anglais, par contre les sous-titres sont en français, c'est juste que je trouvais que les voix françaises n'étaient pas vraiment intéressantes. D'où la raison de pourquoi sont en anglais. Mais comme vous voyez, c'est sous-titré en français pour ceux qui ne comprennent pas l'anglais. Ah, mon chat qui joue à nous. Elle va sûrement se coucher. On va pouvoir jouer. Pixel, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Ok, bye bye. Beau chat. Pas plus beau que le mien, en tout cas.
What has become of this city? There used to be laws, justice, not anymore. Crime is out of control, cats are missing, and townspeople are being victimized.
Oh, hey! Who pooped on my porch?
What's going on with you? Whoa! Whoa! We were supposed to protect those who couldn't protect themselves.
Get off my car, you little pecker!
Now superheroes are torn apart by political differences. We are two sides at war. But war isn't going to save our city. Time travel is my only hope now. Myths tell of ancient times. When a new king united a kingdom torn apart by a powerful stick.
Hi, hon.
Shut up, man. There's no time to waste.
Man.
I have to go back, change the present if I can, and find this cat. And in doing so, perhaps I can change what has happened to all of us.
Fractured Butthole. Ok, le cheveu. Moi je veux un afro. Roux. Avec une petite barbiche. Voilà. Difficulté. Facile. Je mets le pain. Ah, la bonne vieille ville. Ou l'ancienne ville. Ah, je sais pas, avant quoi? Avant Dieu?
The Moorish are attacking! There's Moorish everywhere! Don't let them get to our base!
It's too late! They've taken Koopa Keep! Ah!
Keep's
Dennis, they got the base! You gotta stop them!
Fight the Moorish! Their armor is too strong! They're wearing bicycle helmets! Where is the king?
Ah, en train de faire un numéro 2. Wow. Nice.
We should be happy that he's made friends in this town so quickly.
We came here to hide. More friends just means more trouble.
You're being paranoid. You need to lay off that stuff. It's changing you.
Oh, lay off! It's the one thing that helps me relax from your stupid shit! Oh, hey, whippersnapper. Didn't see you there.
Your friends are downstairs, kiddo. Get out there and play.
Yeah.
Wow. On va looter un peu.
a Tal. Hey, man, I'm Tal, your gaming bud. I'm gonna give you some tips from time to time because, well, who doesn't like tips, right? All right, then. I'll see you later.
Ok. Weird. Des cutters pis des piles. Ah, ça brise, ça c'est quoi? Tenue de super streamer. Oups, je voulais. Il est mon menu. Ah, ici. Je pense. Mettons, comment je fais pour. Ah, apparemment qu'on peut pas tout de suite. Ouh, de papier, belle tapisserie.
Crying, sweetheart. I just have something stuck in my eye.
Hein? Ah oui, j'arrive. What's
My lord,
up?
the filthy Moorish are attempting to overtake Kufa Keep. You gotta come back, my liege. You're our only hope. My lord, come on, dude.
Okay, what's the choice?
What, you just moved to town and you get to be king? I think you're a little pussy.
Hein? Avantage au combat.
No.
Parce que je les ai
Teach
chiés
him a
dans la
lesson,
face.
my lord.
Appuie sur X pour tirer dans le fond.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Nice. Des poils de rebondissement peuvent ouvrir.
I'm not afraid of you and your strategic king combos. Oh, man. Okay, really hit him this time, kid. We can't stop him. Ready the guards of the Dark Court.
Ah,
Wow,
je l'ai
did you
gros,
see
je sais pas comment
that?
manger
It's
ça.
amazing. His powers are unparalleled.
Can't take us all on. Ew. Yeah, just walk away.
C'est un peu différent des scènes de
You
combat
having
du
what?
premier, par
I'm
exemple.
supposed to go first. Nuh-uh, the king got combat advantage. He goes first.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, the humanity.
Ah, c'était
It's
comme ça que je
fine,
les ai
they're the
gros.
bad guys. Oh, yeah, go, king. You can't keep the Moors down.
Ow.
Your king's too powerful. The Moors will triumph.
Our king shrugs off your puny blows.
Voilà. C'est cool qu'on peut se déplacer de même, bon.
Let's go. We've got to get inside Carmen's house.
Ah oui, de la
Stand
lave en
inside or
bloque Lego.
die. We're going through that door.
You can't,
Oh, yeah? Why not?
because everything in front of here is lava.
Oh, dude, no way. All that is lava?
Yep, everything from here to here is lava. You can't cross it.
Shit! Come on, let's get inside. We can't. They're saying everything in front of the door is lava. Oh, that's not fair. What do we do, the king? What do you do now? You die. Release the dragon!
Calvin, ça.
A dragon? We're fucked. That's the dragon roaring.
Je suis tout seul, moi, ça va sur 15.
It's pissed. Oh, man. He's still not dead?
Après un coup, je pense.
Wow, did he just fart on a dragon? Heck yeah, he did. Ah! Our king is undefeatable. Ready the fire breath. Get out of the way of the fire breath. grip. Don't end your turn where it's gonna hit you. Damn it. Okay, if you get a fire breath attack, our king gets his hammer of heavenly rain. You can't stop the kid. Car.
Wow.
Stay out of the street, damn kids!
Ça, c'est nice.
As I was saying,
Ça
you
entend
can't
les
stop the
bruits des
king.
épées en
He is
bois.
all-powerful. What a tiny
Oh shit!
Wow.
dragon slayer.
Yes.
Oh my god, he defeated the dragon! No frickin' way! That kid's amazing! Wow! Did you see that? The king's amazing! Maybe there's a way in through the garage, my lord.
Yeah.
If there's a way in through the garage, the king will find it. Well, King Douchebag is such a skillful warrior! Did you see how he moved that ladder and used it to climb up? He truly is the most powerful king in all the realms. Oh, fuck, he's amazing.
Oops.
I thought the king was going to do a sweet jump, but then he just did that.
You're dead.
Oops. Sorry.
Speak, Bard! What happened to the stick of truth? The wizard had it thrown into the ocean. Lies! You shall feel the wrath of the Moorish.
Unhand him, you heathens! Release the bard or you'll have the king to deal with!
The king! They say he can slay a dragon with one blow.
That's right, and if you don't... whoa, where is the wizard?
I thought he was with you guys. Now we got a distress signal to come help him here.
Oh, le time travel.
The wizard is gone. My name is the King. I'm from the future.
Dude, we said we're not playing that anymore.
Yeah, we're all split up. What's the point? This is the point. In my time, there is a massive crime wave and missing cats. I knew my only hope was to
Un
assemble
voleur
the
de
team.
chat.
Hey, you can't switch games like this! Where's the stick of truth?
Shut up, Kevin. This isn't about some dumb stick. There's a cat in trouble, and it's the key to finding the crime syndicate new to our town. In the future. Crime syndicate? That sounds too heavy for Coon and friends. Well, what do you want, Clyde? You want the fucking Freedom Pals to find the missing cat? Get the $100 reward and make their superhero franchise more popular?
Fuck the Freedom Pals, dude.
That's right.
Poopsikins! There's a loud ringing coming from your basement playroom.
The Coon Alert. Come on, Coon friends. Go get your stuff and report back to the Coon Lair. In the future, Coon and friends assemble. Sorry, guys, you can't play with us. We're playing superheroes now, and you guys are dorks.
Okay.
I'm bummed. I was gonna take up a trade, learn how to fletch arrows.
We could all go to my house and sit around, staring. Wanna go play Star Trek? I'm Spock.
Ça, c'était dans le premier. Ah. Ok.
Oh, hello. The boys are down in their little basement playroom.
It seems like anything with a gold handle could be open. Give it a shot.
Comme dans le premier. Non, I guess qu'il me faut un code.
Oh, did you get locked out? I'm afraid little Eric put a lock on the door to keep me out. I'm sure he has the passcode written down here somewhere.
Ok, donc la quest, c'est de trouver ça. Ben, il n'y en a pas dehors. Nice. Who is the coon? Les objets fissurés là. Qu'est-ce qui est fissuré? Ah, ok, ça. Yeah. Beau dessin. Do not open. Cool only. No, fuck you, mom. Facile.
That's a key item. Maybe that means it's important.
No shit, Captain Obvious. Manuel de plomberie. Ok, ceux-là, ouais, encore on prend.
Howdy ho, Gaming Bud. You enter a bathroom, don't be shy about taking a potty break. You can get some neat stuff when you use the toilet. Good luck, Bud.
J'ai vu quelque chose ici, me semble. Ou pas.
Yes, officer. Somebody appears to have put lava in front of my door. Well, no,
Ok,
it's
donc
not
là,
hot, but my
j'ai le
son
code. Par
told me
contre, je
I will
vais
burn
devoir
to
arrêter
death if
cet
I try and
épisode-là.
cross
Je vais
it.
probablement en faire un autre,
Uh-huh.
soit plus tard aujourd'hui, soit demain.
Oh,
Si jamais vous avez
yes, he did tell me that if I...
aimé, ce serait bien apprécié si vous pouvez liker, si